everyone, I'm Cici from techTongBo. We are a factory that specializes in robot and vacuum cleaner accessories, so we naturally pay close attention to new models on the market. Today I would like to show you the Ecovacs Deebot Mini 2. It looks like a great choice for small homes. Just look at it. The design is really eye-catching. This robot vacuum has a diameter of 28.6 centimeters. I remember the Roomba Mini is around 24.5 centimeters. This one is a little bigger, but it also comes with more complete features. It has 9,500 pascals for suction power, which should be enough for regular home cleaning. Let's take a look at the robot itself. On top, there's a cover that you can open. Inside, there's a mini-sized dustpan, and the filter can be removed. The main highlight is on the bottom. This is where the cleaning system is. The roller brush is tempered brush roll, around 12 centimeters long. The side brush uses an anti-tangle design and can be removed directly. For mopping, it uses two high-pressure spinning mop models. After cleaning, the mop ice returns to the station for self-washing and are dried with 45 degrees Celsius warm air. The Roomba Mini is also designed for smaller homes but uses disposable white pipes. These Ecovacs models feels more like a smaller version of regular full-size robot vacuum, small but fully featured. The station is very compact. It's 38.5 centimeters tall and takes up around 0.12 square meters of space. The water tank design on top is quite interesting. The dirty water tank is in the middle, and the clean water tank is on side. It also has a light strip with 18 light colors and different effects. Open the cover below and you will find the dust bag compartment. It also uses an activated carbon dust bag. At the very bottom is cleaning tray, which can be removed. The water filter on top can also be removed. So there are basically no hard-to-clean areas. After seeing this robot vacuum, are you interested in it? Remember to like and subscribe. We are happy to bring you more useful information about robot vacuums and vacuum cleaner accessories. See you next time!